All right, here we go. We got some YouTube action going on here, man. I'm going viral with this. I'm going, come on, there's a squirrel in this tree. He's right over there.
Oh, he's just hanging out right there.
And,
He was right there by
and,
that squirrel.
and this hawk is going to have some lunch. Come on, get him. This is unreal, man.
You don't get this close to a squirrel. Freaking hawk.
He could care less about us, man. He's looking, he's like, man, that's dinner. That is dinner.
Where's the squirrel at? Right there in the center of the tree.
Up in the tree, right up there. He's in the crotch of the tree.
Waiting for him to get on the ground. Yeah, he is.
Come on now, go after that thing. Burning all up my megabytes.